So we have this exam problem. We have a system of two loads that roll across a 32 feet beam. The loads are P1 equals 5,000 pound and P2 equals 3,000 pound, separated by 6 feet. The maximum moment is most nearly. We want to calculate the maximum moment at this beam. So, as we have learned, the first step here is that we need to find the location of application of these two loads, and to do that, we need to find the resultant of these two forces. So it is very simple. We have two forces here. We want to calculate the resultant, so we will take sigma of the moment at point X. First, we know that the resultant value equals 3,000 plus 5,000 equals 8,000. And to find the location, we will take sigma of the moment at point X, which means that the resultant, which is 8,000 multiplied by X, equals 5,000 multiplied by 6, which is the total distance, which means that X equals 3.75 feet. So this distance here is 3.75 and this distance here is 2.25. So now we want to apply this load on our system here. We know that in order to have the maximum moment effect on our system, the center of the beam should be aligned exactly in the center between this 5,000 and this resultant, which is 8,000. So we need the center of the beam to be here, which means that we need the center of the beam to be half of this distance away from the 5,000 force, which is 1.125. So we will align our forces as you can see here. This distance is 1.125, and from the other side here, this distance is 4.875. So we can calculate these distances. It is very simple. After that, we will take sigma of the moment at point A to find the reaction RB, which is going to be 3,000 multiplied by 11.125 plus 5,000 multiplied by 17.125 equals RB multiplied by 32, which means that RB equals 3,700 pound approximately, which means that RA equals 4,300 pound approximately. We will just take sigma of the moment at this point here and under the 5,000, because we know that the maximum moment will be under the big load. So taking the sigma of the moment here, we will calculate from the right side, which means RB, which equals 3,700 multiplied by 14.875, which means that the moment is going to equal 55,000 pound-feet approximately. So this is the answer, which is the first option here. Thank you and see you in our next video.